Hey, what's up, guys? We are back again with some latest news regarding the Galaxy S22 series. Well, today's leak will be regarding the launch date of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series has been leaked, and it pretty much confirms that there is literally less than a month remaining for the launch of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. Well, we already have an idea about the spec sheet and design as there has been a lot of leaks and rumors making rounds lately. We also knew that the launch of the upcoming S22 series will be happening in February, but the exact date was a mystery until now. According to Digital Daily, Samsung will holding the Galaxy Unpacked event online this year on February 8. The company will start accepting pre-order for the smartphone on February 9, while the sale will begin on February 24 at both online and offline store. The report also revealed that shipping for the pre-orders will start a bit earlier on February 21 to ensure a timely arrival on the launch date. What is more interesting is that we are also going to see an upgraded processor. This year we are going to see most markets are going to be coming with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, while some markets like Europe and South Korea will be expected to be coming with an Exynos 2200 processor. While talking about the processor, we have some concerning news regarding the Exynos 2200 because Samsung recently has deleted all those pro materials and the launch event date that is going to be held in this month has been deleted by Samsung itself on all its platforms, which is a bit concerning because Samsung usually doesn't do that whenever they announce something. According to Ice Universe, the reason behind deleting all those tweets and rumors is because there has been some concern regarding the Exynos 2200 performance with the AMD GPU. According to Ice Universe, this new Exynos processor will be clocking at 1.3 GHz, while previous reports were indicating that it's going to be running on 1.8 GHz in terms of GPU. According to his leak, the MediaTek Dimensity 9000, which was running with the Mali GPU, has even better performance than the Exynos 2200. This is going to be a little bit concerned because Samsung might actually cancel the Exynos 2200 because right now, we are uncertain about its launch. Anyhow, moving forward, we have some camera news regarding the upcoming S22 Ultra, and it's coming from the Ice Universe. According to his leaks, the main camera sensor that is going to be arriving in the S22 Ultra will be having a wider field of view as compared to the last year S21 series. So guys, all in all, I am super excited about the Galaxy S22 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new concern regarding the Exynos 2200? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Peace.